We'll guide you through how to analyze Wix stock effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to a trusted financial website like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance. In the search bar, type Wix or the stock symbol WEIX to bring up the company's stock page. Here, you'll see a detailed overview of Wix's current stock price, market cap, and trading volume. To dive deeper, look at the historical performance data. You can often find this in a tab labeled Historical Data or something similar. Analyze the stock's performance over different timeframes like 1 month, 6 months, or 5 years to understand its trends. Next, check out the Analysis section for professional insights and predictions. This often includes financial analysts' ratings and price targets, which can give you a better understanding of where the stock might be headed. Pay attention to the News section as well, where you can find the latest articles and updates about the company. This can give you context about any recent changes in stock price. For a more technical analysis, look at the charts available on these sites. You can adjust the chart settings to include various indicators like moving averages or RSI to help you identify patterns and potential buy or sell signals. Don't forget to review Wix's financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets, which are usually available under the Financials tab. This will give you insights into the company's revenue, profit margins, and other key metrics. Understanding these figures can help you evaluate the company's financial health and long-term viability. Finally, consider checking out online investment forums or financial news sites for additional opinions and analysis from other investors. This can provide you with a broader perspective on the stock's potential. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.